According to the research, omega-3 fatty acid deficiency is one of the top 10 causes of death in USA. About 96,000 people lose their life each year for this reason. It is ranked as the 6th highest killer of Americans. But, these deaths are considered preventable, if proper dosage of omega-3 fatty acids added in your diet. In today's video, we will share how your body changes in 20 days, if you start taking fish oil every day. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Fish oil can protect your heart. Researchers show that, people who eat a lot of fish or take proper dosage of fish oil in their diet, has much lower rates of heart disease. It increases the levels of good cholesterol, prevent the plaques, and make arterial plaques more stable and safer. Lower cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce triglyceride levels, fats in the blood, and higher good cholesterol. According to the nutritionists, eating fatty fish like salmon or tuna 2 to 3 times a week, can positively impact cholesterol. Strengthen your bones. Fish oil can strengthen your bones. The fatty acids increases the amount of calcium the body absorbs, and diminish the amount of calcium lost in urine. This promotes bone strength and growth. Ease menstrual pain. A research over 4 months found that 78 young women who took fish oil with vitamin B12, or 3 capsules a day, had less painful menstrual cycles than before. Prevent anxiety or depression. According to the European Journal of Neuroscience, fish oil can prevent anxiety or depression. It helps critical periods of brain development, and prevents developing anxiety or depression in life. Regulate diabetes. A research from Harvard School of Public Health found that, the omega-3s in fish oil supplements, increased levels of adiponectin in the bloodstream, a hormone that aids in glucose regulation. The higher levels of adiponectin lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Prevent cancer. Fish oil can help to prevent and kill various cancers, including colon, prostate, and breast. It is an efficient therapy in natural cancer treatment. And also, it makes conventional cancer drugs more effective.